Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share Telegram channel link. This is very simple and easy. First of all, just open up the Telegram application and then you have to search for your particular channel you want to share. Let's say this is the channel DC Loots I want to share. So you have to tap on that particular channel and now you can see the three dot button at the top right corner. Click on these three dots and now you can see there are three options: share, leave channel and add to home screen. Click on this share button. Now you can see a link here. You have to just copy the link and now you can see all the applications here. You just have to select the application you want to share. Let's say I just selected WhatsApp and then if I tap on this contact, and as you can see this is the link of the channel. Now if you want to copy this link, select all and copy. You can share it here as well on WhatsApp and now the link has been copied, so you can go anywhere else and now you can paste this link anywhere, and that's how you can share your Telegram channel link. So you can share direct through the apps or you can copy paste your link as well, or you can see a QR code or invite link here. You can just copy it if you want. You can see the copy link is here as well, or you can see this QR code as well. So easily you can create an invite link for inviting into that particular channel. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.